Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We are on our way now to the police station with that bike that I found in my last video. I figured they would come and take it, but they want me to bring it to them. So anyways, we're going to take that to the police station and drop it off. The wife said, "Oh, you're going to be there forever?" No, I'm not. This is where I found it. This is where I found it, and that's it. Alright folks, so we're going to grab it out of the back here. Look, as you can see, we are walking towards it, and we are going to grab it here. The wife said, "You sure it's not the neighbors or something?" I said, "Well, why would they put it in my backyard? Like, literally, why would they put it, like, you know what I mean? Like, if it was the neighbors, they'd drop it like there or on their side. They wouldn't put it between my barn and my camper." So anyways, we'll get her up in the truck here. I'm gonna have to maybe, I don't know, see what we can do here. See if I can get this to, sorry about the shaking folks, but I'm gonna try and, that's not sturdy enough. Maybe it'll hold there for a sec. And there we go. The bike is up in there. So we got that in there. Let's go take it to the police station. Alright folks, so we are just leaving the police station. I don't know if I can show you, but there you have it. Police station. Just leaving. Drop that off. You know, the wife was going on like they're going to ask me a bunch of questions. Actually, it was pretty good. All she asked me was where I got the bike. Where was the bike at? And I told her, I said, and I told her the situation. I said, you know, most of the time these go unsolved and they'll never get their bikes back, right? And I said, you know, the reason why I did it, because I know there's just people out there that just be assholes and call the police just to say, you know, I stole a bike. You know what I mean? So I wanted to do it the proper way, because what the wife said is, why didn't you just take it down the road and leave it to someone else's yard? But, you know, and basically that's it, because it's more of a, you know, like most of the time that shit goes unsolved, right? So you know, for hopefully that the person that got the bike gets it back and they're happy, and you know, so anyways, that is that. We are going right now to get, well, I'm not getting any. I'm gonna get a coffee, but the wife wants smoke, so dirty habits. No. I can't knock it, man. I used to smoke, but I quit, right? Give me a thumbs up. You know, I've been non-smoker for over a year now, so that's pretty good. She's over there giving me the look. Giving me the look. But yeah, that's pretty good. You know, to go without smoke for over a year now. People ask, you know, do you feel any different? Not really, to be honest with you. Like, you know, at first I did. I felt healthier, but you know, now it's like, well, yeah, I feel a little healthier, but other than that, it didn't really make a difference. So anyways, with that said, let's go. All right folks, so we got our coffee and we are heading now to check out Walmart to see how big the lineup is, and if there is a big lineup or not. Hopefully it ain't too bad, you know. Like, I mean, everybody should have got what they were gonna get now and be home. I shouldn't say everybody. I mean, you know, still got kids, right? You still gotta get your Easter stuff. So, you know, and that's what we're going to check out to see if there's a big lineup and whether we can get in there or not. And you know, well, I'm not gonna go in. The wife's gonna go in. We're gonna stay in the car, me and the kids, right? And enjoy this snowfall day. Like, it's so cold and dingy and snowy, just awful. So anyways, with that said, let's head there and see what we got. All right folks, so we just arrived here at Walmart, and as you can see, they got like a little gate up for people to stand and wait to go in. which is crazy, but it's what's going on now. So, anyways, with that said, I don't know, like, I don't know what they're gonna do. Like, you know, like, everybody is basically gonna get an unemployment check now at the same time. So, you know, like, you know, people are gonna need to go out and get their groceries. So, you know, what am I trying to say? You know, like, are we gonna have all of Edmonton standing outside a goddamn Walmart at the same day? Like, you know, like, this is getting a little out of control. I thought it was supposed to be isolated for 2 weeks. Now it seems like we're gonna be isolated for months. Like, you know, like, I'm not, what is it? I'm not, I just gotta make the turn here, folks, but, you know, I'm not, bitching and complaining, right? Or, you know, being an ass about it, but, like, let's get real. Are we gonna give up our lives because of this? Like, is it that bad? Like, we, you know, like, you know, the only thing I heard is people with medical conditions. So, you know, like, us as people that don't have medical conditions, shouldn't it be better for us to get it over with? Like, I don't know, like, is it killing people without medical conditions? I don't know. Like, the only thing I hear is that everybody that got it and died from it had a medical condition. You know, whether it be a heart condition or old age, or, you know, and, like, when does it stop? Like, you know, like, I don't know. It's like we all woke up one day and we're all in imprisonment now. So, you know, my kids, they can't even go to a playground. They got all the playgrounds freaking with caution tape around them that you're not allowed on them. And I'm sure if you did go on them, they'd probably charge you with it. Right? So, like, you know, basically we have to give up our lives. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with this world. I mean, and then you got Trudeau there. I don't know. I don't think if he can get a full sentence out, we'd be all doing good. But he can't get a full sentence out without stuttering. So, you know, I don't know, folks. I really don't know. But anyways, with that said, we are on our way home now. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget, give it that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.